My name is Lindlelani Xaba. I am a prototype engineer that is responsible for the system that is behind me that was developed by the University of South Florida. The system takes wastewater from the toilets that have showers, laundry basin, hand wash basin, urinals, and toilets themselves. So all of that water is sent to the system, and what happens is it is put through a reactor where you have bacteria that are going to break down all the nasties within all the biological material within the wastewater, and then it is passed through a membrane, which is basically like a tiny filter, and then after it is filtered, it is chlorinated, which is kind of like adding bleach to it. At that stage, it meets all the requirements that are required for you to reuse that water for flushing. This would be of great value to informal settlements and municipalities, governments, and South Africa as a whole, because let's start from the municipality side. The demand on the water supply is reduced because we are now we are treating water here and then reusing it for flushing, which means the supply for flushing has now dropped. And the benefit for the community is they also see a reduced consumption of water because they now have this closed loop of recycling.